Greetings and salutations, my fellow Misfits members. This is Misfits Lord Twisted once again coming your way, which hopefully will be a helpful tutorial video which is being filmed at this time for our valued members that would wish to might have what's called an image signature loaded into their profile area as to being displayed to others when others check out your profile area. The type of image signature you want, and also be advised this is the type of image that will be displayed at the bottom of each and every one of your posts throughout the forum. So without any further ado, to those who wish to have a signature in their profile area and wish to have that signature displayed throughout the forum under each and every post you do, here we go. You're going to need the web browser. You've touched the forum, you got the web browser issue in hand, well in hand, it's handled. See Chrome? Let's go. Alrighty, the forum is already preloaded in the web browser. No problems there. It's looking as it should. Now, we're going to need an image hosting site, which I prefer. funkyimage.com. Been using it for quite some time. Don't have a problem. Unlimited storage space. No membership fees. No money paid per image. Nothing. Free to use. You can use other ones like PhotoBucket and such, not a problem. Those sites offer the same options that I'm about ready to show you here on how to get an image hosted so that it can be linked to the forum and being displayed as your profile image. So here we go. Here you're going to want to make sure that the site is instructed in that gray highlighted box around the white words where it says from local storage. The website here needs to know where it has to go to find this image that you want to have hosted. So you're just telling it either on your computer's hard drive or your mobile device's data storage area. It instructs it to go there. Next, on the right hand side, you can see the green button where it says browse. Click on that. Now the website is wanting to know where on your local storage, where do I go about finding this image? Where do I go get it? Well, for me, my image that I want to have hosted and displayed on the forum is contained in my Google Photos. Your options might be different. You might be storing your saved images in a different location. Have no fear. Just tell the website to go to that location and grab the image you want to have hosted as well. But for me, Google Photos is where I have my image, so I'll click on that. It will open up that file folder where Google Images is located, and I know I have my image located in screenshots. So just click the file folder that your image is being held in, and right up here in the upper left hand corner, that's the one I want. Make sure that check mark is on it. In the upper right hand corner, hit done. Alrighty, now here we go. The image now from my Google Photos is being properly hosted in what's called the website's preloader. It now knows the destination path to go grab your image. Nothing more. And now here at the bottom, to get it hosted, you're going to see upload images. Let's hit on that. And there you go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ways that the website has gone about with different styled formats of web links to host your image. What I do is I select for signatures only. I select direct link, so I'm going to put my finger on that, highlight that to where the cut, copy, paste option pops up. I'm going to hit copy. And now I'm going to jump back over to the forum. And now I'm going to go right above here into the profile area right above. You want to hit your profile. And there it is. There's my profile area minus its signature. Now let's get it going. Here, you're going to see edit profile right there above username, and just above all the people following or you're following them, right above there, edit profile. Let's hit on that. Alrighty, now you want to go into personal. You're going to see avatar, personal, social, settings, privacy. Go into personal, and it will open up this. Now, almost all the way down at the bottom, you're going to see a white box with the white words above it called signature. That's the area you want. Now, this is going to be the one and only time, and this might be foreign and odd to some who have never even written a line of code, but there's a little manual inputting that's going to be required here. It's very simple. I'm going to walk you through it right now. This will be the only line of code you would have to manually install into the forum system ever. Once it's done, it's done. But this is the way we have to go about doing this. This is kind of old school, but here we go. Highlight, get inside that area. Now, what you're going to want is symbols. You can see the typewriter here down below. You want brackets. Hit bracket, go back, capital I, capital I, capital M, capital G. Then you're going to want to get back into the brackets. And that's the way it's supposed to look. Now, we need to put the copy link and have that here. So hold your finger behind the image, and there you go. There is the host link to the image hosting site that is now inside your signature area. Now, the last bit of code, a little bit of code needs to be written. You need to get back into those brackets, put bracket, /, capital I, capital M, capital G, get back into the brackets, and that's the way it's supposed to look right there, the end bracket. Now, if everything is done right, I should have an image being hosted via the hosting site and properly linked into my profile area and will be displayed. Now, down here at the bottom, hit Save Personal Settings. Hit on that. The green thing will say saved. And now let's go check our work. Go all the way back to the top where it says Misfits, Members, Lord Twisted. Click on yourself. Bingo. See down at the bottom now under signature? There's my image being hosted by the image hosting site, which has now been linked to the forum into your profile personal settings area. There you go. You guys now know how to load a signature in your profile area, and also be advised again, this image will be being displayed on every post you do or every reply that you do at the bottom of that area. So again, pick whatever image you want, but don't make it too big. I would actually try to keep it within the parameters of the one that I'm displaying to you right now. Don't make them too big or they won't be allowed. The forum will bunk you a little bit, saying image too large. Scale it down a little bit. Make it roughly the size of the one I'm displaying right now, and you wouldn't have any problems. Hope this video tutorial has been helpful, and I will try to think of other tutorials to create to make each and every one of your forum experiences as pleasurable and as nice as we can possibly get it for you. Take them on easy. Thanks for watching. Any questions, just reply. I'll try to answer them as best I can when I can. Take them on easy. Bye-bye.